So if I say I went to a zoo, so what it means? I just went to the zoo. If I say I went to a beautiful zoo or a largest zoo, so what you say? I am saying I went to the largest zoo. Okay, so I'm describing about it. I'm giving an additional information. I'm saying it is the largest zoo. So that is our adjectives. So anything that describes the noun is called adjective. So under this we are going to see two forms. Okay, our comparative comparative and superlative adjective. So it is a comparative and superlative adjective. First we are going to see about these two. So what is comparative? Now I am talking about the students in say grade 2. So I am talking about grade 2 students. So here first I am drawing. Okay, this is one first picture, one student, and the second one. Okay, so which you think is tall? Which is taller? This one or this one? Very good. So this is taller. So this boy is taller than this boy. So I am just comparing two things. So when we talk about a comparison between two people, we use ER. Okay. So this is our comparative adjective. Now when I go to the next. Okay. So when I go to the next, the third person, so I am comparing among a group. So this is the tallest among the full group. So here I add EST and here I add ER. So this is our superlative. So when we compare between two people, it is comparative. When we compare between a full group, it is called superlative. Okay. So here for comparative, we use ER, and for superlative, we use EST. And then coming now, when I say the word upset, upset. Now can I say upsetter and upsettest? Does it give any meaning? No. So it is wrong. So some words remain the same. And before that we add more or most. Okay. To make it an adjective. So we say more upset or most upset. So when I say more upset, it is a comparative. And when I say most upset, it is a superlative. So certain words remain the same. We cannot add ER or EST. Okay. So it doesn't give us a meaning. I cannot say it is upsetter and upsettest. It has no meaning. Instead of that, we add more or most in front of this word. So I'm more upset, I'm most upset. So when we use this, more comes under comparative and most comes under superlative. So apart from this, there is something called irregular. So what is irregular? Now suppose I use the word, where can I write? Yeah, I rub this out. I use the word bad. He is a bad boy. If I say bad, can I add ER, EST, more, or most? No, I cannot add this. I cannot say badder. I cannot say more badder or most baddest. No, it doesn't give a meaning. No. So for bad, we say worse and worst. Okay. So bad means we go with worse, bad, worse and worst. So we find there is a drastic change in the complete word. No, bad means worse and worst. So these are irregular forms of adjectives. So I hope it's clear with you. So adjectives means I told you anything describing the noun. So comparative means when we compare two things, and superlative is when we go with the full group. And there are certain words when we convert it into adjective we use more and most. So more upset, most upset. We cannot add er or est. So more means is comparative and most means is superlative. And coming to the last, there are irregular forms of adjectives, which means the full word changes. So instead of bad, we write worse and worst. So this is the comparative and this is the superlative. So these are our adjectives. So in general, adjectives means anything describing a noun. Okay. So that is adjectives. And coming to your homework today, please complete page number 11 and take a pic and send it to ma'am before 7 p.m. in the evening. And your GK question. So which is called the land of oranges? So which is the land of oranges? So find it out and tell it to ma'am in the next class. Please be safe at home and start reading your daily lessons as your exams are approaching. And I think you know what is tomorrow. Yes. So you all have received the invitation, right? All of you should take part in our school activity. So which gives a name for our school, no? When we stand united. So united we stand, divided we fall, isn't it? Yes. So all of us are AGS family. So we all should come together to make it a grand success for tomorrow's function. Okay. Hoping to see you all. Take care. Bye. Happy Independence Day to all of you.